T is barely saved. I wonder, hand in hand probably didn't handle this well at all. This highway shut down all the way. There's one there on top car, just the lights on. It's like I'm not kidding, I'm gonna get a boat and just drive it down the highway. Did you know a monster truck can float?
Yeah, I think so. Is there a red light? And is there a red light on the top? Is there a red light on the top, Dad? Is there a blinking red light on the top of it?
On the front beam,
Yeah.
it's going up and down. And flashing.
Did you see that?
Military patrols over at the police station.
Why is there military trails everywhere?
National Guard's here to help out.
Hey, there's a military stand over there.
There's the highway through there, see it?
Oh. It's crazy. It's everywhere.
There's vehicles over there on the highway.
Did you have to get the boats out yesterday?
Yeah. House one had to go on a bunch of them. We just had to go once, but
They should really start. Did they take the sandbags down from yesterday?
we still have out there somewhere. Well, they see them pumping out of you see from there.
Yeah, this
See
one.
the water pumping out there? Squirting in the air?
No.
Way back there. He just moved it. See it right?
Is it on the road?
Yeah, right back there. See it all the way back? Can you see it squirting in there like through a hose up there? He's moving it up and down.
Oh yeah. The GoPro probably can't see it
They're
at
trying to
all.
pump that water off the highway as best they can.
The GoPro can't see it because the GoPro zoomed out. The GoPro's always zoomed out for some reason. Like zoomed out more than we can see.
Right.
Still people trying to get off the highway. Everywhere.
Shut. Get it on still?
Yeah. Wow, does it end?
What's that sign say?
What, he's selling something. It says $1.
Looks like it just went across up right up there, huh? trying to get some work done.
Are you allowed to do it? Whoa, it's flooding down the road. From that football field. Wow, people are drowning in the water. It's crazy. Flooded everywhere. There's a house there. I can't see it. It's like a tiny speck. Who's it? You can see the signs ahead. You can see those tiny signs poking out. Hey, you can't beat us. Whoa, look at all the waves. That could be a lake.
Wow.
That could be literally a jet ski lake. You could bring the jet ski up here. I think we can get out. Those people got out. Pretty crazy. Lot of water. Mailbox is covered. Stop sign is covered. Their garage is cold. I think their garage is kind of open. It's totally still that. There's like no water. Whoa, that guy's roof is under. It's just his roof. Yep. Okay. It gets pretty deep.
Wow, look at that truck.
There's a gas station that's across from Hand in Hand.
And hand is flooded.
Yeah. Wish I could get a better view of it because I want to see where the water is compared to where they stored all their stuff. Look at those tractor trailers down there underwater, Sam.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Stop it. Dad? Oh, there's a monster truck over there.
Here's Jenny's.
There's a monster truck.
Yeah?
Do you see that monster truck over there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't even see hand in
Get out.
hand.
Get some footage.
I can't even see hand in hand because it's so flooded. This guy's following us. A lot of cars underwater. really think that's a monster truck.
Huh?
I keep looking at that thing and think it's a monster truck.
Just Nancy. Good shot down there. Pickup truck underwater back there. Trailers.
Gas stations.
Dollar General lights are still on in there.
They might be
It
still.
almost looks open, doesn't it?
Yeah, they might still be open. You're like driving through with your boat,